I'm gonna fix this pothole for free.
What does she know about fixing potholes?
Probably very little.
What?
Get off the road! I'm just trying to help.
It's great that you're trying to help, but I don't think that's legal.
Now for the easy part.
What is this? Is this Minecraft or something with that pickaxe?
Yes! Did somebody say boom?
Let's clean this dirty hole.
Wait, why is the magic film actually working though?
I have absolutely no idea.
Oh, sheesh. Some guy's coming over here and he's carrying something.
Here, use this.
Did he just give her a machine? I don't trust her with that for some reason.
Thank you. He's letting me use his machine for free.
Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this and make sure to subscribe, well, if you want to. Anyways, bye.